Well, good afternoon. And first, let me apologize for being a few minutes late and keeping you waiting. I'm delighted to be back here in Ashgabat, for what is now my third visit to Turkmenistan. I'm here with a delegation of senior officials from Washington. They represent not only the State Department, but the White House and the Department of Energy. In addition, there is a delegation of American business people who are here this week under the auspices of the U.S. Turkmenistan Business Council. Today I had very productive and constructive talks with Foreign Minister Muradov as part of a mid-year review of the annual bilateral consultations that we began last June in Ashgabat. This joint effort is a process to systematically discuss the full range of issues on our bilateral agenda and identify specific and practical areas to make progress. We discussed our common interest in the stability of Afghanistan and what more both of us can do to contribute to progress there. In particular, I welcome the leadership of President Mukhomedov in advancing the Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India pipeline project. This project, if realized, would benefit not only Turkmenistan, but would provide a new source of revenue and jobs for Afghanistan at a critical time, and would link neighbors together in economic growth and prosperity. We talked about opportunities for further cooperation in the areas of commercial and energy development, including efforts to expand U.S. trade and investment here in Turkmenistan to support economic development here. We talked about joint efforts to combat the spread of narcotics and terrorism. We talked about cooperation in humanitarian affairs, including educational and cultural ties, as well as human rights. In closing, I want to thank the government of Turkmenistan for a very productive day of consultations, and thank them and the people of Turkmenistan for their warm hospitality.